Welcome to Soorya Tech. Today, we'll guide you step by step to set up your Raspberry Pi for the first time. Let's get started. Here's everything you'll need to set up your Raspberry Pi: the board itself, a microSD card with at least 16 GB storage, a reliable power adapter, HDMI cable, monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Start by downloading Raspberry Pi Imager from the official website. Insert your SD card into the reader, open the software, and choose Raspberry Pi OS. Select your SD card, click Write, and let it do its magic. Once the OS is ready, insert the microSD card into your Raspberry Pi. Connect the HDMI cable to a monitor, plug in the keyboard and mouse, and power up your Pi with the adapter. Your Raspberry Pi will boot into the setup wizard. Follow the steps to choose your language, connect to Wi-Fi, and update the software. Once done, you'll see the desktop environment, ready to explore. And that's it. Your Raspberry Pi is now set up and ready to use. What project will you start first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech tips from Soorya Tech.